Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a brief one. It's not going to be a very lengthy one, and I'm going to be talking about things that elevate your look or things that make you look more expensive, make you look luxurious, make you look classy without you doing too much. The first one I want to talk about is DIY. DIY basically means do it yourself. There is a general notion that people think that you need a lot of money to be able to look stylish, to be able to look classy, or to be able to look expensive, look luxurious. And I'm here to tell you that that's not entirely true. Of course, you need money to be able to get certain things, but you can look classy, you can look amazing, you can look luxurious, you can look expensive without breaking the bank. You can do that based on whatever your price bracket is, or whatever your income bracket is, you know, whatever is comfortable for you when it comes to spending for like your fashion pieces. So that's where DIY comes to place. There are so many ways you can, I wouldn't say manipulate, but there's so many ways you can style your look with what you already have in your wardrobe. I'm going to show you some examples. I have I have a series where I do a wearing versus styling, where I show people how you wear an outfit and how you can style it without doing too much. Sometimes all you really need are just a few tricks to elevate that look. You can have a simple plain black dress like how I have in this video, or you can use like shoe accessories. I have a video of that where you can add that to your shoe and wear it over and over again and nobody will know, and it still looks very classy, it looks very clean, and you're not spending as much money as you would think you need to. Basically just putting in more thought into your style, adding a few pieces, adding using a scarf to elevate your look, using like a brooch, all these tiny things, or maybe getting like appliques from online stores and adding it to your dress. A plain black dress, you can just get like appliques or a plain blazers and add it to it, and it changes the whole look, and you have not spent a whole lot of money. So DIY is one thing that you can do on a budget and it can totally elevate your look. Avoid big branded outfits. So when I say big branded outfit, this is what I'm talking about. You want to avoid wearing all those outfits with very big designer brands on them, especially when it's fake. Especially where you know that that's not the original thing, because getting the original of it will cost an arm and a leg. You don't want to do that. And even if it's the original stuff, if you're not a fashion guru that can pull it off in a very stylish way, I would say you should avoid it, because it makes you look busy. You're just everywhere. You're wearing a shirt or a dress that just has a big Dior sign, or a big Gucci everywhere. It looks like you're a Gucci wrap paper. It doesn't look nice, it doesn't make you look classy, it doesn't make you look expensive. To be honest, it makes you look a bit tacky, because you're just everywhere. It's like you're trying to announce to everybody that you can afford designers, or if it's in a case where it's not real, you just look like you're trying too hard. You can look classy, you can look stylish without wearing outfits with those very big branded logos. Does this mean you shouldn't wear outfits with brands on it? No, that's not what I'm trying to say. You can wear, like, you can buy your designer's outfits that has like the brands on it, or scarves, or whatever the case may be. Go for the ones that are on the minimal level. Don't go for something that is too out there, just too crazy, too loud. It doesn't make you look good. It just makes you look like you're trying too hard. And if you're a classy lady, or a lady who is just trying to look clean and luxurious and just well put together, I would say you should avoid that for now. One thing about monochromatic looks is it looks so classy and clean and effortlessly chic, especially for a lady. You want to go for things like that. You're not a style or fashion girly, you're just trying to build your wardrobe, build a uniform for yourself, I would advise you go for monochrome looks. It's easier to shop, it's a safer bet that ends up making you look very, very classy. So what you want to do is get same color but maybe in different shades. You want to get like what I have now. This is like a sky blue and this is a dark blue jeans, like navy blue kind of jeans. So you want to play around with similar color. You can get like different shades of brown or different shades of gray or different shade of pink, or you can even get same shade of white, black, purple, whatever the color may be. The next one I want to talk about is your personal hygiene. You have to take care of your skin, you have to take care of yourself, you have to take care of your hair, you have to take care of your nails, you have to take care of your lips, every single part of you, because it's not just about the outfit. The outfit is not what makes you, you make the outfit. The outfit is a representation of you. So basically, if you're not taking care of yourself, your skin, then no matter how well put together or expensive or how nice that monochromatic outfit is, you will still end up looking tacky. Your outfit looks nice, but then your leg look wide. You maybe, let's say you're wearing a pant trouser and you're wearing an ankle length pant trouser, and around your ankle just to where your shoe is looks ashy because you've not properly moisturized that area, or your skin looks flaky, or your hair looks a mess, you're not taking care of your hair, or let's say you have dandruff problems and you got with a nice dress and you're on braids or some part of your hair is out and all we can just see is just flaky scalp. It doesn't make you look nice. It makes you look like you don't put a lot of effort into yourself, and it just cheapens your whole look. No matter how hard you've tried on your outfit, your personal hygiene is something you shouldn't joke with. When I say personal hygiene, I'm talking about your skin, your face, very important, your face. Please, this is summer, get your SPF out. Like, I don't want to see anybody out without sunscreen. And yes, even if you're a black girl, you need sunscreen. It's not just for lighter skin people. Everybody needs sunscreen because it helps protect your skin, it helps protect your face. So don't go out right now without a good SPF. I'll just put a picture of some of the SPF I use. This is not a sponsored ad, by the way. It's just what I use that works for me as a black girl. So if you're looking for some suggestions, I have oily skin, so this works perfectly for me. I say look out after yourself. You don't have to go crazy if you're not the kind of person who don't like nails. Like you can see in this video, I don't have any artificial nails, it's just my natural nails, but they are well kept. Clean them, clean your nails. This is something that doesn't cost you anything. All you need is like a nail cutter and a filer at home, and you can easily do this for yourself. Get a good moisturizer, let your skin look moisturized. You don't want to go out with very dry, flaky skin. It looks like you're going through a lot, and you don't want that out there. Just do what works for you in terms of how much you earn or how much you can afford to splurge on things like this. If you can't spend too much, then search online for good product that you can use for the amount of money you have. You don't have to do what everybody is doing. Just because everybody has lashes on doesn't mean you need to have lashes on 247. Just because everybody's on makeup, I do my makeup myself, but there are days where I don't do my makeup. Majority of the time I'm not on makeup. Like this video, I don't have any makeup on. I've just done like my skin prep and my lip gloss, and that's it. So you don't need too much. Don't go crazy. You don't have to have makeup on your face every single day. You don't have to fix long lashes, long nails if that's not your thing. But whatever works for you in terms of like your skincare and your personal hygiene, take that seriously. Get your deodorants, get good deodorants, get a nice smelling perfume, please. It is so important, please. And then for ladies, when you're wearing fitted outfit like what I have on, get like the armpit pad. I'll show you guys a picture of it. So the armpit pad, you basically put it inside your dress or your top or whatever fitted outfit you have on, and it absorbs the sweat. So you don't have all those sweat lines around your armpit area. You can always carry like 3 or 4 more in your bags. Feel like that one is a bit full, or you're getting irritated because you can feel the moisture, you can just peel it out and apply another one. So the last one I'll be talking about are sunglasses. Sunglasses are like makeup for your face. I've said this over and over again in my other videos. It just elevates your look, especially when you're someone who you don't really like makeup, like me. Your day-to-day life, you don't like makeup and you don't want to fix eyelashes, microblading and all those stuff. Then a nice pair of sunglasses can just easily do that for you, because glasses, for me, I would say glasses is like your mini makeup, because it covers majority of, like, half of your face, covers your eyes, covers your brows, covers your eyelid. And if it's a nice pair, a well structured sunglasses, it can elevate your look, because it can just take you from this to this. So I'm just going to show you guys 2 different options. This is me with the sunglasses and this is me without. I know the difference is not much, but you can see how it adds some character to my face, it adds some structure to my face. It just gives me this, I don't have time for this look. Gives me this boss lady, gives me this madame look. But there are different sunglasses that can work for your different face structure, so you'd also want to look for one that works for you. I have an oval face, so I tend to go for bigger frames that have like bold structure around the edge. So I'll just show you guys some pictures of what I'm talking about. If you have like a proper chisel chin line and all those stuff, you might want to go for a different type of glasses, but this is the one that works for me, my type of face. So if you have my type of face, then I'll recommend this. If not, you have to try different ones to see which one works for you and which one falls under your personal style, which one are you comfortable with, which colors do you like. Then last but not the least, carry yourself like you are the girl, like, because you are the it girl. Carry yourself like that, because no matter how much you put in, power bike, to carry yourself like how you see yourself. The most important thing, like I said earlier, the clothes is not wearing you, the glasses is not wearing you, the accessories and all of that, you're the one wearing it. Is a representation of you. So you need to carry yourself with confidence. Let people see your aura, let it ooze out, let people know that when you enter a room, let people know that she has entered that room. Like, carry yourself with class, carry yourself with glory, carry yourself like a queen that you are. Even this is for guys, carry yourself like a king that you are. Odogu, enter the room and let people know that somebody has entered. You get what I'm trying to say? So you need to be confident about yourself. You need to, if you need to speak to yourself, speak to yourself. If you need to stand in the mirror and tell yourself you're beautiful, you're bold, you're confident, you're amazing, you're God's creation, whatever it is, you need to tell yourself, because you are it. And if you don't see it, if you don't feel it, if you don't show it, people will not see it. Let them know that you've arrived. That's the end of this video. Like I said, I didn't want this video to be too long. I wanted it to be really short. I got some requests from you guys asking me to do a short video on outfits or things that can elevate your look, or things to avoid when you're trying to elevate your look. So I hope this video was helpful. And as for my fashion class, that's still cooking, you guys. I haven't been able to put that out there because I was trying to focus on my dissertation for my master's, which I am done now. So I am actively working on it now. So yeah, that's still going to happen. Still be on the lookout for that. I would announce dates and other informations when I feel like it's the right time. But I hope this video was helpful. Have a lovely day. Bye.